Hello friends, I am Chawla. I am working with the AIAC driving school. I am MT approved driving instructor. Today we are in Oakville and we are going to go to G test route in Oakville, and they have two routes. We'll go to both routes one by one. Let's go. Okay, let's go in Oakville G second route today, and we park here, look around before starting, and take left, look around, anyone coming, no one is coming, and we will take a right here, and there's no stop sign here, but still look both sides. If we have to stop, we have to stop here. And outside on the Wyecroft road, there's no stop sign here, but still you have to stop. Make sure check both sides. No one is coming from any side. No one is coming. We'll take a right here on the Wyecroft road, and we'll go straight here. And speed limit is 50 on Wyecroft road. And there's lot of driveways here. Make sure check all the driveways here. Sometimes they take out from this driveway also. And just look around, look everywhere, look all the driveways, look all the hazards. It's a 50 speed limit here. It's a very long road, don't exceed speed limit. Look around everywhere. Look back mirror every 5 seconds. Look all the driveways. Sometimes so many cars are coming out from these driveways, so just have a look. Some trucks are coming out too. Make sure see everywhere. Look around. Every 5 seconds you have to check back mirror. We should know what is going on behind us too. And see light is green. We are going straight. Still look both sides. Yes. Look like this. Look both sides. Anybody can come from any side. Next traffic light, we will take a left. There's a third line. Take a left from the third line. You can keep in any lane. I'm going to keep in the first leftmost lane here. You can keep in any lane. Check the mirror, signal, blind spot, MSP, and come to the right leftmost lane. Stop here, light is red. Keep on looking every light turn to green, and I'll go left here. Go to the leftmost lane, then change it to right. For this lane change, I won't tell you. You have to do by yourself. Change it to the right lane, going straight, and then we will take this one, next one, QEW 43 Hamilton. Look both sides in intersection. The right indicator, check blind spot, MSB, mirror signal, blind spot. Check here. Yes, 40 here. See that cyclist, they can come anytime. Keep an eye on that, okay? Yeah, she's not coming. Good. Just keep on looking both sides. Yeah, and speed. The car is straight now. We have to speed up and merge into the highway. It's 100 here. You have to speed up and go to highway. 100. And don't merge at slow speed. It's 100 here. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and merge into the highway. It's 100 here. 90 and 100 is a good speed to merge. Yeah. And here a couple of times examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left, change it to right. Change it only when it's safe to do so. It's not like they just told you have to do it. Make sure you see their safety first. Safety is more important than changing lane. So then mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to right lane. And we'll take exit on Bronte road. Exit here. Here usually we see that like a highway entrances come from the right side only, right? Here you will see something unique here. This is what I want to really show you. They will tell you take a left from the traffic light here. Take a left here. Mirror, signal, blind spot, change into left. Take a left from this first traffic light Yeah, light is green, we can take left. Yeah, and take left here. And after that, usually we come to the right lane after taking left, but don't come here. Because here, after that examiner is going to tell you to go left from the next traffic light. Because highway entrance is on the left side. Mirror, signal, blind spot, come to the left lane. And the highway entrance is on the left side, not on the right side. It's something unique. Yeah, stop here where you can see the wheels of the car on the ground. That's the right place to stop. Yeah, we can go left here. Yeah. Take left, and this is going to the highway again. There's something unique which I really wanted to show everyone. So many people do mistakes here, so make sure you don't do mistake in exam. Yeah. And then again it's 100 here on the highway, and we speed up and go to 100 here. Mirror, signal, blind spot. See, this lane is not merging ahead, but still we have to change it to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, check back, and then again the examiner will tell you to go back to the right lane. Mirror, signal, blind spot, MSB, and go back to the right lane. Then they will take exit on the third line. Speed limit is still 100 here. Keep on checking back every 5 seconds. Yeah, start slowing down here, and we'll take exit here, third line, and we'll take rightmost lane here. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Go right here. Light is red, we have to stop first, complete stop. Yeah, and then see anyone coming? No one coming, I can take a right. And again we'll take a right on Wyecroft road. Mirror, signal, blind spot, go to the right lane and go right here. Light is green, I can turn right. Okay, something unique again. When you turn right here, this lane is ending. So for this one example, I won't tell you, you have to change lane to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and go back to left lane. It's 50 here, go to 50 only. 50 meaning is 49, not 51. Don't exceed speed limit. Check both sides, pass through any intersection, check both sides. It's 50 here. Look all the driveways. Don't keep on looking straight. When you're driving, look all the driveways everywhere. See, the truck is coming out, right? Keep an eye on that. Yeah, look everywhere. Then the examiner will tell you to go left into the parking lot there, and left indicator. Okay, no one is coming from the front, and we will take a left into the parking lot. Yeah. And then going left again to the parking lot, and then because the G test, they don't ask any back parking in the G test, so we'll go straight and park straight there. Park straight into the parking lot. Look back, look around. And that's it. And then the examiner will tell you, okay, you passed your test, congratulations, go and get your license from inside. I hope this video is going to help you to pass your test. If you have any question about the driving and about learning car driving, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. My name is Chawla.